Okay, now we're going to use Riemanns sum using left-handed rectangles to find the area under the curve when we don't even know what the actual function is, and we're going from 0 to 10. So here's my recommendation. At 0, we're at a height of 6, so mark that. And then at 4, we're at a height of 5. So if we're doing leftmost, so let me do this. On that one, if we were doing using left-handed rectangles, oops, it would look, oh, we're going from 0 to 4. So from 0 to 4, we're at a height of 5. But what we care about is, so that line is doing something like that. But what we care about is using this. So we know this height is 5 and this base is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. That's the area of that rectangle. Okay? Then at 4 we know we're at, let me change the color. At 4 we know we're at a height of 5. And then at 7 we're at a height of 6. So let me kind of... So if I do that rectangle, but remember I start at the leftmost point. So for the height of this rectangle, we have a height of 5. These are the left, 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 left. Those are 4. We're not going to have to care about that height. All right? So this width is 3. This height is 5. So this area is 15 units squared. Okay? Now we move on to the next one. So at 7, we know we're at a height, let me change the color. 7, we know we're at a height of 6, and at 8, we're at a height of 7. So if we draw that rectangle, well, this width is only a width of 1, and this height is a height of 6, so that's 6 units squared. And then finally, at 8, we know we're at a height of 7. I'm going to go back to blue. And then at 10, we're down here at a height of 5. That really is going to end up being incidental because we care about that leftmost point. And I did not get it right there on 8. I need it to be like that. Well, from 8 to 10, that's a distance of 2. And at 8, we're at a height of 7. So this distance is a height of 7. So this is 14 units squared. So now when you say area approximates from 0 to 10 f of x dx, well, now we just add these together. 6 and 14 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 15 is 55 units squared. So that is how you would use, and then you'd have to pay attention to the right-handed. So if we would have done the right-handed, we would have, so let me choose a completely different color. Let me choose green here. We would have, this would have been the rectangle, and that would have been a height of 5. We would have used those heights. So 2 times 5, this would have been a height of, this would have been 10 units. And then at 7 up here, so we're at a height, at 8, we're at a height of 7. And so 7 times 1, this would have been 7 units. And then at 7, we're at a height of 6. and we're going over to 4. But this is now a height of 6. 6 times 3, this is 18 units squared. And then finally, this would be, this first one, this should have been, this was the height of, we were doing the leftmost points. That first rectangle should have looked like this. I apologize for that. So that should have been, we just added 4 more to that, so that should have been 59. Apologize for that. So then when we do the leftmost point, this would have been 20. So you would have had 10 plus 7 plus 18, so that's 25, plus 20 is 45. That would have been 55. There you go. That's it for the Riemann sum table using left or right rectangles.